In this video, we will walk through backing up and restoring parameters on the Toshiba AS3 VFD. From standard mode, press the F2 button. Notice it says copy on the screen above the F2 button. On the copy function screen, use the capacitive thumb wheel to select copy to the keypad, then press OK. The last digit in the file name can be changed. Use the thumb wheel to increment or decrease the file number. I'll choose 1. Then press OK. Notice the screen says, the copy will start when OK is pushed. Press the OK button again. The transfer process begins, transferring all parameter values to the keypad. When the transfer is complete, the screen displays, the copy has been completed. Press the F3 button to return to the copy function screen. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to create another backup copy of parameters. I'll use the number 2 for the last digit of the file name. Once the backup is complete, press the F3 button for return twice to return to the standard screen. At this point, we have backed up parameters on the keypad that can be used to restore on this drive or another drive. Let's walk through the restore process. From standard mode, press the F2 button, which is copy. On the copy function screen, select copy to drive and press OK. Notice I have 2 files to choose from. This could be handy if you have multiple setups. I'm going to select one of the files and press OK. The screen displays the message stating the copy will start when OK is pushed. Press the OK button to continue. The transfer process begins. When finished, the screen says the copy has been completed. Press the F3 button, return, twice to return to standard mode. All parameters have been restored.